to the Anti-Money Laundering (AML) and Combating the Financing of Terrorism (CFT) training for insurers. Money laundering and terrorist financing pose a significant threat, prompting heightened vigilance from governments, regulators, and enforcement agencies around the world. This rigorous scrutiny extends to various organizations, especially financial institutions like insurance companies. As a crucial player in the financial sector, the insurance industry can be susceptible to money laundering activities. This introductory module lays the groundwork for your understanding. We'll embark on a journey through the evolution of insurance, exploring the different types of insurance products offered. We'll also delve into statistics, examining the global insurance landscape and its penetration in India specifically. Furthermore, we'll turn our attention to what the regulatory bodies have to say on the scope of applicability of regulatory guidelines regarding AML compliance for insurers. This includes both the global watchdog, the Financial Action Task Force (FATF), and the Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India (IRDAI), the Indian regulatory body specifically for insurers. This is the pre-course knowledge check. Choose the option that you think is correct and move on to the next. Once you have made your choice, you can check for the correct answers with brief explanation for each question, right below in the same slide. These scores are not considered for any purpose but help you personally evaluate your current understanding before your training session. I will wait a little ahead for you to complete this, and together we will further get into the details of this topic. The concept of insurance may seem like a modern invention, but its roots stretch far back into the mists of time. Just as humans have always sought to protect themselves and their loved ones, the desire to mitigate risk has existed for millennia. It is appropriate to note that the contents of this slide and couple of others following are largely reliant on information available on the internet. While every effort is taken to validate the information, the purpose is to get the larger context of evolution of insurance, which it aptly serves. Evidence of early insurance practices can be traced back as far as 6,000 years ago. Ancient Babylonian and Chinese traders, facing the perils of treacherous sea voyages, devised a clever strategy. They would divide their goods amongst several ships, spreading